Oh my god! Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be trying out my 3D printed paddle tires for the first time on Bigfoot. This is a test run. Yeah, they might look a little small on Bigfoot. They were designed for a wrestler, but these are just a prototype and I'm so excited to see how these 3D printed paddles do. Here we go, guys. My paddle tire is done. Oh, this is so nice, guys. It's a little messy with the little strings here, but we printed out a TPU and I think it's gonna work. I printed out a nice orange wheel. I love the design, and some tires. And if you guys like this, we might start selling these on the channel. So let's check it out and see how well it does out here. All right, here we go. Oh, they're ripping. He's doing wheelies. He's doing wheelies out here. Oh, nice wheelies. Look at that. I think it's doing great. Oh my gosh, and it's handling the power of 3S really well. Wow, they are handling great out here. They just don't sound like regular tires. I mean, they're 3D printed, but they are just burning the ground. I think they're gonna work great. What do you guys think? You guys wanna see some of these on another car? You wanna get some? Would you guys be interested in buying some of these? Oh my gosh, look at how much it just dug into the ground. That's like 2 inches. Oh, it's just throwing stuff at me. We got to take him out to some real sand and see. But I can just ride wheelies all day. Oh, that just threw so much dirt on me. Oh my gosh, I wasn't ready for that. Look how deep they're digging. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Oh, I got dirt coming out of my shirt. Oh no, it came off. My paddle came off. I wonder if it didn't stay glued long enough. Because I glued them on here. I'm going to have to go back and re-glue it. But yeah, that's why I kept recording, because I knew eventually something like that was going to happen. Testing number 1 is complete. All right, guys. Today we're finally getting to test out the 3D printed paddles that you guys saw earlier as a short and kept asking, can we please see it in some sand? Well, today we're going to be putting it into some sand for you and see how well these hold up on 3S. And then we have Byron's Gravedigger on stocks that we can compare it to. So we'll see if these are worth 3D printing and having fun with. Let's get into it. Oh, just throwing sand. Oh my gosh. Well, now he made a big rut for me. Oh, too much grip. Here we go. They just want a wheelie. They got so much grip. There we go. Like nothing with these paddles. You got a stick? See that? I don't think it's stuck tires are made for this kind of stuff. Almost a backflip off of it though. We're gonna make it up there. There you go.
You know, this is my proud possession. It has been treated so well.
I know. They do throw up a lot of sand though. So easy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro! Yeah! Oh! There it goes! Whoa! It went up the hill!
That was not just
It blew everything! Oh my god! It shattered this!
Where'd it go?
It went up the hill. That was great. It was moving so fast that it twirled back this way and then launched up the hill. Oh my gosh. And look, that tire's still moving. I don't think it broke your drive shaft, did it?
No. Oh.
The drive shaft's hot though, isn't it?
That's just hot. The thing got ate up.
Yeah.
It just ripped the ends off.
It ripped the ends and the A-arm clean off.
Yeah, that's fine. I can get on one of those.
The A-arm ripped clean off. I could tell by the way stuff was sounding something bad was about to happen. Guys, look at how big these are. That's
only a half an inch.
That's half an inch, yeah. There's the boot.
That's what I needed.
There's your...
Oh, it's wrecked too.
Yeah, your boot's wrecked. Oh, yeah. Just kicking up sand. Dousing me in sand. I can just ride a wheelie the whole time with... Oh my gosh. Oh! Nice. Bigfoot took it. Oh! Hey, it's not a crate and it didn't break. You should have had the... We're not trying to make a hybrid. Oh, nice little flip.
I mean, whatever's to the right of it, not the thing itself.
Or concrete. Uh-oh. There it goes. There it goes. Well, it came unglued again, guys. So I'm gonna have to figure out that problem. Maybe putting a screw through it or something. Or just douse it in way more glue.
Yep.
But they did work pretty well. They worked until it started falling off. They're still gonna work now. What'd you guys think? Well, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the paddle tire video. As you can see, they do work. I just need to add some more glue to them. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.